एक मिनट बच्चा हो गया हाँ सानो जा खेल ओ पैनिक मत कर, रुक निकाल रहा हूँ। क्या तेरे लिए मस्त, जा खेल के बता थोड़ा। ये ले, अपसेट होके बैठ गई है ना। चल आजा निकाल, पसंद नहीं है। आजा निकाल। It's that day of the week when my cats get to eat their favorite food. So this time it's between chicken in gravy versus real tuna and chicken liver in gravy. So I think I'm going to go with real tuna because I think she already knows. So that spoils my plan for the video to get excited. But I think I'm going to go with real tuna. I think they already know. But still, let's try to fan this packet and see if I can generate any more excitement from them. So here we go. They already knew, I think. Oh, beloved Veera gave birth to 2 little kittens last week. So here are her 2. She wants to hide them from the camera, apparently. Veera, show us your 2 little bundle of joy. Are we allowed to film them, Veera? We promise we won't post them on the internet. They are 8 days old. Today is Sunday. They came into this world on last Saturday, so around 8 days old. Do you trust us with your little babies, Veera? They cannot crawl yet. Thank you, Veera. had a bowl of milk and they're busy cleaning themselves. That's what they do. They engage themselves in licking and cleaning once they've had some milk. My cats just heard the faint horn of the milkman, so they know that the milkman is in the neighborhood and they are eagerly waiting now. He's just around the corner delivering milk to in a neighborhood. So once he'll be on his way to our home, he'll blow the horn again and they'll get excited. Veera is sitting patiently. As soon as the milkman will be at the gate, my cats will go down and greet him and bring him up, show him the way as if he is new around here. Apparently, they think they heard him, they think it was him, but they are not really sure. So they are abiding their time. Shambhu specially. Two of my cats are not here yet, Cartoon Network and Kulfi, but they should be here soon as well, as soon as it becomes evident that the milkman has arrived. These are the bowls. They are going to slurp their milk in. I think he's here. Yes, he is. It's his brother who's arrived today. There they go to greet him. It's the second day of me trying to raise the kittens, and I got this product. It's supplement powder or milk replacer. Luckily I got this from the local store. I didn't have to wait to buy it online and for it to get delivered. The only thing is it's for puppies and not for kittens, but the ingredients and nutrition is more or less the same. It's basically protein powder and it's not for you, lassi. So I fed them this once in the morning, and it's time for the evening supper. So let's go and wake them up. Kittens, come out. One at a time. भूखी किसको लगी है? I get confused between these two, so I need to remember whom I'm feeding.